plug-in hybrid compact SUV. Punta lang tayo sa showroom. Dito sa BYD Clark, 2026 BYD Sea Lion 6 DMI. Yung price, 1,548,000 pesos. Maganda yung design ng front fascia, modern and clean look. LED headlamps with DRL. Wala nga lang fog light. May front camera, 19-inch alloy wheels. Naka-disc brake sa front and rear. Body color yung side mirror cover. May camera for 360 view. Wala nga lang blind spot monitor na okay lang naman. Medyo mababa lang yung ground clearance para sa compact SUV. May keyless or smart entry button. Check natin yung interior. Perforated leather seats. Power seat adjustment sa driver. Same sa front passenger. Sa door panel, soft touch material. Padded leather yung armrest. Power window switch na automatic. Leather wrap steering wheel. Flat bottom din yung design. Additional sporty vibe. Tilt and telescopic adjust tong steering column. Full screen LCD na yung instrument cluster. Maganda yung quality ng display. Hindi wash out yung color. Pagdating sa visibility, okay naman. Sakto lang yung ride height. Kitang-kita pa rin yung hood. Yung dashboard, soft touch material. 15.6-inch infotainment screen. Rotating screen na rin to, in case lang na ayaw nyo ng landscape. Okay naman yung camera quality. Malinaw na rin to. Dual zone climate control. Wala nga lang physical button. Interchangeable color din yung ambient lighting. Yung transmission, ECVT. Walang volume knob, pero may volume scroll wheel naman. Push start ignition. May 2 USB port at 12 volt socket. Dalawa rin yung wireless charging pad. Padded leather yung center armrest, pero hindi lang siya yung sobrang lambot. Check natin yung storage. Decent size naman yung storage space. Dampen yung glove box. May vanity mirror with light yung sun visor. Same sa front passenger. Equipped din to ng moonroof. Ventilated and heated yung front seats. May tailgate switch, pero pang-open lang siya. Wala siyang function na mag-close. May extra storage din dito sa driver side. Iset ko lang yung driver seat sa driving position ko. Check natin yung back seat. For reference lang, 5'7" yung height ko. Perforated leather seats. Sa door panel, soft touch material. Padded leather yung armrest. Power window switch na automatic. Nakaset na to sa driving position ko. Yung legroom. Sobrang luwag ng space. Hindi ramdam na compact SUV. Yung foot space, makakapag-stretch ka pa. Flat yung floor, wala yung center hump. Okay naman yung foot space sa middle seat. Comfortable din yung seating position. May AC vent, 2 USB port. Yung headroom, nasa 2 to 3 inches pa. Okay din yung seating position, hindi siya upright or 90 degrees. Kasi reclining seat din naman to. May map light or cabin light. Check natin yung cargo space. Maganda yung design ng rear end, para siyang SUV coupe. Full LED taillight. May light bar, reverse camera, parking sensor, equipped to ng power liftgate. Malaki na rin yung storage space. Ito yung portable charger. In case lang na kailangan mo mag-charge sa labas. Ito naman yung home EV charger. May underfloor storage. Nandito yung tools at tire repair kit kasi wala tong spare tire. Ito naman yung para sa reverse charging. Pwede mong gawin parang power bank tong Sea Lion 6. Check natin yung engine bay. 1.5 liter gasoline engine with electric motor. Hindi na ako nakapag-test drive pero expect ko na maganda yung performance nito. Iba kasi yung power delivery ng EV. Instant torque at linear power. Palike na lang and subscribe. Paalam.